Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and in this video we're going to show you the Ooni Koda 16. This is one of Ooni's several pizza grills. This also comes in a 12-inch size, but we've got the 16 here. You can get this in either a liquid propane or a natural gas version. This is the liquid propane model, so you do need a tank with that one. Natural gas, you're just going to need to hook it up to a natural gas line. But Ooni makes a great product. It's really easy to use. It's easy to set up. There's only these 3 legs on the bottom and then hooking it up to that propane tank. So it's straightforward. Anybody can do this. I'm complete novice when it comes to making pizza, so this is going to be a great test for us to show you how easy it is to cook a pizza in the Ooni Koda. They also make a bunch of different accessories for this one. We have a little laser thermometer that we check the pizza stone with to make sure that's up to temperature before we start cooking. There's a cast iron that you can use if you wanted to cook a steak in here. You can cook bread in here. We've got a pizza peel that we're going to be using to kind of move the pizza around and make sure that it cooks properly. So we're going to show you all that in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so we've had a chance to cook with the Ooni Koda 16 for a little while now, and I gotta say, it's a lot of fun. This is a really fun item to use. If you're looking for some different ways to cook outside, you're definitely gonna wanna check something like this out. I really wanna pick one of these up for myself after having used it for a little while now. It took about 3 tries on making the pizzas before we kind of got it down to where it almost looked like something you could get from a restaurant. It maybe didn't taste quite as good, but that's more on the chef and not on the oven itself. The oven worked great. Now there is a lot of wind up here where we are. We're on a rooftop right now, so you get a lot of wind. So there is something to keep in mind when you're using one of these. If there's wind, if you have the flame low, it could potentially blow out. We actually had that happen once, but all we did was restart it and it was up and running again. But it is something you're gonna wanna pay attention to if you're in a windy area. Otherwise, this is super straightforward. From opening the box to setting it up, it's a really easy product to use. So it's gonna be something great that you can use with your family, with your friends, and it really kind of gets you connected to the food. If you're looking for a different way to cook outside, a pizza oven is an awesome way to do it. And we're just so happy that we got to cook on the Ooni Koda 16 today. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.